This website you see on the screen right now is legit and one of the best paying websites online nowadays. It's available worldwide, has paid its users nearly $3.5 million as of now, and it takes the average user just 17 minutes to get their first cash out. And the users have a bunch of options through which they can get paid. If you want to get paid in cash, they offer PayPal, but for those of you who love crypto, you can see that they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, among many more options. So if you want to make some money right away, then you ought to keep watching this video. Alright guys, so today I have an absolutely awesome website to share with you. It's one I promise that most of you have never seen before. But if you want to make money online, it's by far one of the best in my opinion. And the website in question is called freecash.com. What this website is, as the name suggests, is a platform where you can make money online by completing various tasks, like doing surveys, playing games, and more. And trust me when I say this, guys, this isn't your average make money online site. It pays more than other websites. Top earners have actually earned a lot of money, and the site itself is actually legit, and not a scam like many other platforms. Speaking of, one of the first things I want to show you about the platform before I even start covering it are the reviews on Trustpilot.com. As you can see, FreeCash has a rating of 4.6 stars with over 8,000 reviews, which is amazing to say the least. These reviews show more than I can that the website I'll be showing you today is legit and works, unlike many other sites of this nature. By scrolling down a bit, you'll be able to see more info about the reviews, and the really important part here is that just 6% of people rated this site as bad or poor combined. The rest, which is 94%, liked this website. Just goes to show you how good of a platform we're talking about here. They will definitely pay you, that's for sure. With that said, on the homepage of FreeCash, you'll be able to see these stats that really show how awesome of a site this is. It takes 17 minutes on average for someone to get paid through this site. The average amount of money earned by its users yesterday is $15, and the total amount of money paid out to its users is $3.4 million, which is just crazy. Most of the other sites I've come across that are similar to this one haven't paid out even close to that amount. So, as I said many times over, this is one of the best sites to make money online today, and it's also one of my favorites too. Before we go on with the site, something really important that I do need to cover is how much will you get paid in the first place? As many of you know, make money online sites generally pay pretty poorly, a few dollars here and there, but the top earners of FreeCash have actually earned quite a bit of money. That you can check out by clicking on Leaderboard here. On the following page, you can see that the top 3 earners have made, roughly speaking, around 30,000 coins. 1,000 coins equals $1, so that means that these people have made all up to $30 in a single day. But that's not the crazy part. By clicking right here where it says $2,500 monthly, you'll be able to see that certain people are literally making hundreds of dollars online on a monthly basis with this website, which is unheard of as far as make money online sites go. Do keep in mind that this competition, so to speak, has only just started, meaning that it's bound some of these people will make more money. In fact, the top earners of this website earn up to $500 daily, with many earning thousands of dollars a month. So, in essence, this site pays a lot more than other similar websites, and thanks to the reviews I've shown you a while back, we know for certain that this is the case and that this website actually pays its users. To start making money online on this site, though, you first have to sign up. To do so, all you have to do is click on the Register button in the upper right corner. You will then proceed to enter in a bunch of your info if you want to sign up via email, or you can just sign up via any one of these platforms below with the click of a button, which is what I would personally recommend since it's much faster anyway. If you still want to sign up via email nonetheless, you will have to type in your email address in this box here. Your username goes just below. You will then type and retype your new password. And finally, you have to tick this box to agree to their terms, then click on register below to sign up to this website. Once you log into the platform, this is how everything will look. You will now be able to make money with this site, and your total amount of coins earned you will be able to see in the upper right corner, which in my case is 3,000. Not a lot, but it's not bad either. To make money with this site, you have to do the following. Click on Earn here. You will now be taken over to this page where you will be able to see the featured offers, offer walls just below, and lastly, the surveys. The featured offers are, as you can see here, the most frequently completed tasks from your country. And you have many different options here, and you can see how much money you will earn from any one of them. You can complete these blue surveys first and foremost. These generally pay around $1, but it's noteworthy that they are not unlimited, and you don't get to choose what kinds of surveys you want. But if you want an option, you can click on these green ones here. And as you can all see, all I need to do so I can start completing a survey is choose, do I want a fast survey, which will pay me less, or the regular one, which will pay me $1. When you choose, you will then just click on Start Surveys here, and they will take you to another page where you will go ahead and complete the survey. Furthermore, these surveys, as you can see on them, are unlimited, and so are these orange ones here, which pay 80 cents per survey. This is really cool because 90% of the time on Make Money online sites, you will come across limited numbers of surveys, meaning that your earning potential is limited. With this site, however, that isn't the case. And this is also why those people have made literally hundreds of dollars, with many making thousands too. Another popular method to make money with this site is this really good one, by playing games. Not only is it more fun than completing surveys, but you can actually earn more money in the process, which is what makes games, in my opinion, an awesome way to get paid. By scrolling down, you'll be able to see these offer walls, which contain more tasks for you to complete and get paid. Speaking of getting paid, to withdraw your money, all you need to do is click on Cash Out here. You'll now choose how you want to get paid, and you guys can see the sheer amount of options this website has to offer. Not only do they offer PayPal and various cryptocurrencies, but you can also get paid via gift cards from the likes of Amazon, Visa, Google Play, and many, many more. The minimum payout on this site is a mere $5. But if you choose to get paid via crypto, that goes down to just 50 cents. So you don't have to make a ton of money to be able to withdraw it, that's for sure. All in all, guys, this is a fantastic website I recommend all of you check out. It's legit, pays more than other websites, and is worldwide available to top it all off.